As a new beginner into content creation who want to edit own videos, I would advise you go for InShot editing apps for so many reasons. Not only that, InShot has a free version. It also supports low phon. With InShot, you can get rid of watermarks easily. It is very simple to use, and above all, it has all the features you needed as a beginner to make your video pop. In this video, you will learn how to download and open InShot, how to trim and split your videos, how to add sound effects, how to add text and stickers, how to use transition, and how you can export your video professionally. At the end of this video, I will give you professional tips on how you can stand out as a good YouTuber. Don't skip any of the process. Now, let's begin with how to download and open your InShot. Go to your App Store with your iPhone. Otherwise, go through your Google Play Store if you have an Android. Search for InShot and download it. Tap on the open. Tap on the video. Tap on the new. Now select the clip or photo you want to use. Select the check mark. Here are the timeline at the bottom, and here are your editing tools. How to trim and split your videos. To do that, tap on your video. Select the position you want to trim off. You can see the white border at the tip of the video. Just press and hold it and drag it inward. That portion of the video is gone. There is another way you can equally achieve this by selecting where you want to cut off. Tap split. Select the clip that you want to cut and press your delete. That portion is gone. You can equally do it towards the end of your video if you find it necessary that some part ought to be removed. Normally, in editing, there may be some portions in your video where you made mistake, either repetition or the portion that you don't want public to consume. You have to split it and move them. This is how you can go about that. To split, push your clip towards the actual position you want to split. Make sure that your playhead is at exactly the portion you want to split, and select your clip. Tap on split. It has splitted exactly at the playhead. Push it again to another portion that you want to split again. Hit on split. Now we have gotten 3 clips. Assume you want to delete the middle of this clip. You don't want it. Select it and you go to delete. That portion is gone. Assume you accidentally remove a portion or do something contrary to your wish and you want to revise it. Go and tap this revise button. That clip is back again. Here, you can equally rearrange your clips. Maybe you want the second clip to come to the front of this video. All you have to do is select the clip, tap and hold it, and drag it towards the area you want it to be. You have rearranged this clip. Tap on the good mark. To get rid of InShot watermark, tap on InShot logo mark and choose free remove. You can see the InShot watermark has been removed. This is one of the things I love about InShot. Let us add text and the stickers on our clips. Go to the tools and look for text. Tap on it. Tap on text. Let's type in InShot. You can customize your text the way you want it to be. Push it to where you want it. Push it to the corner or any place you want your text to be on your clip. You can input animation by clicking on this feature of animation which you can choose. Just explore to choose a good animation suitable for you. Let's choose this. Typewriting. Yes, that is for in. You can choose, type on out. Choose another one. Let's choose this. This is the way your text comes in and the way it goes off. Hit on check mark if you are satisfied with this. Otherwise, you can still go on loop. When you are on loop, explore and see the kind of loop you want. Okay, I love this. Let's hit on our good, which is the check mark. Hit again on check mark. Let's play and see. To add sticker on your clip, go to the toolbar and tap on sticker. Choose any sticker which you love. Assume you want to put this clock. Hit on it. Position it where you want it to be. And hit on the check mark. Now let's add music and the sound effects. Select the audio. Select music. Make sure you don't select a copyrighted music. On this phone, I have some music I downloaded from my YouTube studio. I will select my music here. I will scroll down and select the particular music which I have pre-downloaded, which I am sure it is copyrighted free. Tap on use. My music is there already. The music is very loud. Always make sure you tune it down by selecting on the volume. Reduce it to barest minimum and tap your check mark. Let's add sound effects. Still select audio. Select music, my music, because I have some sound effects here. Let me choose for swoosh. Add it up. Now, let's add transition into our video. Tap the small white square between clips. Choose a transition. Select different filters and know the one you prefer. This is cool. You can also select adjustments to fine-tune your picture, saturation, fade, and all this stuff. Hit your check mark. You can't believe how little adjustments can go a long way to make your video pop. For we to export our video, tap on Export at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Export. Wait for some couple of minutes and your video will be exported. Congratulations! You made it to the end of this video. Now you know how to edit videos completely free on your phone with InShot editing apps. If this tutorial helped, make sure you like this video, subscribe and drop a comment below. Click on this video for more exposure on how you can grow your channel.